Now let's solve for the frequency of a wave when we're given its wavelength and its speed. A wave is moving at a speed of 1200 meters per second. If the wave has a wavelength of 230 meters, what is the frequency of the wave? First step, write the formula. The formula will be the same for all of these problems. Speed equals frequency times wavelength. Now let's write down what we've been given. Let's look back at our question. A wave is moving at a speed of 1200 meters per second. We are given the speed, so we can go ahead and write that down. Our speed, or v, equals 1200 meters per second. Let's keep reading. If the wave has a wavelength of 230 meters, so it's our second one, our wavelength, 230 meters, we can go ahead and put that in. Our wavelength equals 230 meters. Now all we need to do is plug in those variables. So again, our formula is speed equals frequency times wavelength. We are given the speed up here. So let's plug the speed in for v. So we have 1200 equals, do we know the frequency? We don't know the frequency. That's what we're trying to solve for. So we're going to leave the frequency as f, multiply it times the wavelength. Our wavelength here is 230. So we're going to put our wavelength in right there. Now we need to solve for f. To solve for f, we need to get the f all on its own on the right side of the equal sign. So instead of multiplying by 230, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to divide by 230. Divide this side by 230 and divide this side by 230. These will cancel out. 1200 divided by 230, if we do it on our calculator, is 5.22 equals f. To write it a little differently, our frequency equals 5.22 hertz. Our unit for frequency is always hertz, and that, my friends, is our final answer.